Lily walks into the garden. She sees many different flowers. This is a red rose, she says. It smells sweet. This is a yellow sunflower, she says. It is tall and bright. This is a pink tulip, she says. It is soft and pretty. This is a white daisy, she says. It looks small and happy. Lily smiles. Flowers are different shapes and colors, and each one is special. One warm summer evening, Lily stepped outside just as the sky was turning dark blue. The air felt soft and quiet. Then a tiny light blinked near the bushes. Lily blinked back. Another light flickered, and another. "Fireflies!" she whispered excitedly. Soon, the garden was filled with tiny glowing lights. Blinking, Lily gently cupped her hands and caught one for just a moment. It glowed softly between her fingers. She carefully let it go, watching it float back into the night. The fireflies danced around her, twinkling in the darkness. Lily spun slowly, feeling like she was standing inside a sparkling dream. As she headed back inside, she smiled. Sometimes magic doesn't make loud noises. Sometimes it just glows quietly in the dark. Goes to the garden with her notebook, ready for new discoveries. Today she finds even more new flowers, each one a delightful surprise. "This is an orchid," she says, admiring its unique shape. It looks special and delicate, like a tiny dancer. Next, she spots a vibrant bloom. "This is a red poppy," she says. It is bright and soft, like a silken dream. A fluffy bloom catches her eye. "This is a pink peony," she says. It has many fluffy petals, like a cloud of sweetness. Then, a cheerful yellow flower. "This is a yellow daffodil," she says. It looks like a little trumpet ready to play a happy tune. Lily smiles, then writes in her notebook, her pen gliding across the page. "Every flower is different and beautiful. I learn something new each day in my garden." She had a backpack on her shoulders and a big curiosity in her heart, because today she was going on a magical garden adventure. "Hi, I'm Lily," she whispered, tiptoeing into the garden. Wow! There were flowers everywhere, red, yellow, purple, and pink, swaying in the breeze. She saw little bees buzzing around. Bzzz. They dipped into flowers and collected pollen. "Hello, bees! You're working so hard," Lily said, waving at them. Next, colourful butterflies flitted past her. Orange, blue, purple, and yellow wings glimmered in the sun. Lily held out her finger, and one tiny butterfly landed. "Wow, you're like a flying rainbow," she whispered. Then she spotted red ladybugs crawling on the leaves. She counted 1, 2, 3. They were so tiny and cute. "Hi, little friends," Lily giggled. At the center of the garden was a giant tree. Its leaves sparkled, and it had a tiny door at the bottom. Lily peeked inside and saw a secret fairy village. Tiny lights twinkled, and flowers were furniture. "Wow, a fairy home," she whispered in amazement. At the end of her garden adventure, Lily sat under the big, magical tree, surrounded by butterflies and bees. She picked a tiny flower as a souvenir and waved goodbye to her tiny friends. In her animated imagination, flowers danced, butterflies twirled, bees hummed songs, and the magical tree glowed softly. Lily walks in the garden again. Today she finds new flowers. "This is purple lavender," she says. "It smells very nice." "This is an orange marigold," she says. "It is bright like the sun." "These are bluebells," she says. "They look like tiny bells." "This is a white lily." she says. It is big and beautiful. Lily smiles. There are so many flowers to see and learn about in nature. One sunny day, little Lily went to a fruit garden with her teacher and friends. She wanted to learn where different fruits grow. A big yellow mango hanging on a tree said, "Hello, Lily. I grow on a mango tree in warm, sunny countries." Lily looked up at him. Next, Lily saw a pineapple on a short plant. The pineapple said, "Hi, Lily. I grow on a plant close to the ground, not on a tree." Lily was surprised. "I thought you grew on trees." Then a big watermelon rolled on the ground. "Hello, Lily. I grow on a vine that spreads on the ground in the field." Lily laughed. "You are so big and round." Suddenly, Lily looked up and saw a coconut high in a tall tree. The coconut said, "Hi, Lily. I grow on a coconut palm tree near beaches and warm places." Lily waved and said, "You are very high up." At the end of the visit, Lily learned so much. Some fruits grow on trees, some grow on plants, and some grow on vines on the ground. Lily smiled happily. "Now I know." Lily is outside in her garden. The sun is shining bright. She looks at her plants. She notices tiny green leaves. "Wow," she says. "New things are growing every day." She waters the flowers. She checks the vegetables. Lily learns the names of the plants: tomatoes, carrots, and sunflowers. "Gardening is fun," Lily says. "I can watch the plants grow and learn something new every day." Lily walks quietly in nature. She listens and looks around. She sees a deer near the trees. "It is calm and gentle," she whispers. A small squirrel runs up a tree. "It is fast," Lily says. A white rabbit hops in the grass. Birds sing in the sky. Lily smiles. Nature is full of animals. If we are quiet, we can see and learn so much